Are you struggling with breathing problems or living with COPD? Imagine if there was a natural way to rebuild your lungs and breathe easier again. In this video, we're revealing the secrets to reversing COPD and strengthening your lungs naturally. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, or COPD, is a progressive lung condition that makes it difficult to breathe. While it's often considered irreversible, there are natural methods that can help rebuild your lung function and improve your quality of life. Your journey to better lung health begins with what you eat. A diet rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and anti-inflammatory foods can reduce lung damage and promote healing. Include plenty of fruits, vegetables, and omega-3 rich foods to support your lungs. Breathing exercises can be a game changer for lung health. Simple techniques like pursed lip breathing, diaphragmatic breathing, and deep breathing can improve lung capacity, reduce shortness of breath, and enhance oxygen exchange. Certain natural supplements like N-acetylcysteine, NAC, vitamin D, and magnesium have been shown to support lung health, relax the nerves, and reduce nervous spasms. Also, vitamin B5, omega-3 and AB complex helps keep inflammation down and the lungs clear of sticky mucus build-up so breathing is not choked and restricted by mucus, phlegm. Always consult your healthcare provider before adding new supplements to your routine. Detoxifying your body and environment is crucial. Avoid pollutants, chemicals, and tobacco smoke. Incorporate natural detoxifiers like green tea and turmeric into your diet, and consider air purifiers to keep your indoor air clean. Regular physical activity is key. Low-impact exercises like walking, swimming, and yoga can improve lung function and overall health. Exercise not only strengthens your body but also helps clear mucus from the lungs. Don't underestimate the power of the mind-body connection. Practices like meditation, mindfulness, and stress management can help reduce COPD symptoms and improve your lung health by lowering inflammation and promoting relaxation. By embracing these natural methods, you can take control of your lung health and start breathing easier. Remember, your body has an incredible ability to heal itself when given the right tools. Subscribe to Viva Wellness for more tips on natural healing and living a healthier, longer life. Live well. Live long. Your health is your wealth.